Do you want to turn more visitors into paying customers? You need conversion rate optimization. In this video, we will break down what conversion rate optimization is, why it matters, and the best strategies and tools to help you grow your business. Let us begin with the basics. What exactly is conversion rate optimization? Conversion rate optimization is the process of improving your website or landing page in order to increase the percentage of visitors who take a desired action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or clicking a button. For example, let us say 100 people visit your website and 5 of them complete a purchase. That means your conversion rate is 5%. The purpose of conversion rate optimization is to turn that 5% into 6%, 7%, or more, without increasing your advertising spend. Why does conversion rate optimization matter? Having a high volume of website traffic is beneficial, but if your website does not convert those visitors into customers, you are losing valuable opportunities. Conversion rate optimization allows you to get the most value out of the traffic you already have. This means more sales, reduced customer acquisition costs, and more sustainable business growth. Here are several benefits of conversion rate optimization: increased sales without needing more website visitors, lower advertising and marketing costs, improved user experience and satisfaction. Let us now explore some high-impact conversion rate optimization strategies. First, A/B testing. This involves testing two versions of a page or a particular element, such as a call to action button or headline, to see which one performs better. Second, mobile optimization. More than half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices. If your website is not mobile friendly, you are likely losing potential conversions. Third, speed optimization. Slow websites frustrate users and reduce conversions. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help you identify issues and improve load times. Fourth, clear calls to action. Your website should clearly communicate the next step you want your visitors to take. Whether that is, buy now, or sign up free, a clear call to action improves results. Fifth, social proof. Showcasing reviews, testimonials, and trust badges can reduce hesitation and increase trust, making visitors more likely to take action. Now let us talk about some of the best tools available to support your conversion rate optimization efforts. Google Optimize is a tool that helps you conduct A/B testing and personalize your website content based on user behavior. Hotjar offers heat maps and session recordings so you can observe how users navigate and interact with your website. Crazy Egg provides scroll maps and click behavior tracking to give insights into what attracts or distracts your visitors. Optimizely is a robust experimentation platform used by teams to manage complex testing campaigns. If you are using Shopify, applications like Privy or Optimonk allow you to create custom pop-ups, lead capture forms, and other interactive elements that increase engagement and conversions. To summarize, conversion rate optimization helps you make the most of the website traffic you already receive. Even small adjustments to your content or layout can lead to significant improvements in performance and revenue. Always test changes, rely on data rather than assumptions, and use the right tools to guide your optimization strategy. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. What is your current website conversion rate? Let us work together to improve it. Thank you for watching.